All right, folks, Billy here. Right, I'm not doing a tool review like you've probably seen on one of my other videos. I needed some clamps, so I thought I'd just show you some of the stuff that I get in. Might be able to help some sort of beginner woodworkers, hobbyists, that kind of stuff. So I got some clamps. Like I said, I needed some clamps, so I thought I'd give these a try. So I went onto Amazon, done a load of research on clamps. Now you can pay big money for clamps. You can pay ridiculously low money for clamps, but I wanted clamps that are going to do the job. They're going to last for quite a bit. I'm sick of buying substandard clamps. I've got a load of clamps down there that are just rubbish, to be perfectly honest with you. So, anyway, I got this brand, Jorgensen. I think they're a US, well, they're a US brand. I don't know whether they're still manufactured in the US, but a US brand. The history of these got me intrigued when you go into the history, like me being an antiques dealer and stuff like that. You look at history of stuff, it's just like a inbuilt thing with you. So went into the history, and it was a lady that set this company up in 1903, Adele Holman. In 1903, just think of that. She had to sign documents to hide a gender, so she'd sign it A.V. Holman, and she partnered up with this guy called Jorgensen, a Dane, who was a carpenter or whatever, and another guy who was a salesman. And this company sort of grew throughout the years, and they're known for really good quality products. So off the back of that, and the price, let's not forget that, the price, got a fantastic deal on Amazon with these. I'll put links in the description if you want to go and buy them. I mean, after this video, I've had these out of the box, but I'm just going to show you how they come, so how the packaging is. They're packaged really well. So I'll run into it, but yeah, like I say, after this video, I'm probably going to go and buy some more of these because I do need a few clamps. So I've got a set of the Easy Old. It says on them light duty, 6-inch, 4-piece Easy Old light duty spreader clamp set. I think these in the UK they were about, I think they were about 26 quid or something like that, £26. So whatever that is in dollars, and Amazon US, I ain't got a clue what they'll charge over there, but I'll put links in. So like I say, the clamps, quick. They are good. The quality's good. The weight's good to them. You can use these as spreader clamps. Like I say, you can use these as spreader clamps. So all you do is you press that button in there, pull that out, and you push that forward, and then push that into that thing there. Press the button so it locks, and you've got basically a spreader clamp, and just easy to do. Now they've got a function just for quickness. They're a bit tight because they're new. Don't mind that really. Just put that back in there, lock it off, back to normal. They've got a function here where you can sort of put two together. So these are like 6-inch thing, but you can sort of double that, maybe a bit more, because you've got like these things here that sort of come together. Whoa, nearly knocked myself out. Here, and you've got like the double sort of capacitor. Just get that out of there. So anyway, that's them. I like them. They're made of plastic, a really tough plastic. Jorgensen Easy Old. Look at other reviews on these, but I'll pop links down to in the description on them. And I'm going to buy another set of them. I can't get them in the bigger size, but they've got that, where you can attach them together. So that should be good. Light duty, they're better than some, honestly. Now, these ones here, another one, it says here, 12-inch light duty steel bar clamp set. It's not a review. I'm not doing reviews. I'm just showing you what I've got that might be cost effective. Now, for a pair of these, it was less than £20 for a pair of these. The construction is superb on them. Like I say, I've had them out of the box to check them anyway. But easy enough. Nice little bar clamps then. Quality's good. I'm no expert on clamps, but what I do know is I'm an expert on when it comes to value for money, and these are value for money. So just let's give them a try. Now I'm not going to go into clamping pressures and all that kind of stuff because I'll be honest with you, I ain't got a clue about clamping pressures and that. If it knocks two bits of wood together with a bit of glue, I'm happy with that, and so are we all. So clamping pressure anyway, but there, it's holding. Look, it's holding. It does what it's supposed to do. It's a clamp. But what intrigued me is the history. A woman set this company up. So be that a lesson to all you ladies out there. Don't be phased by anything. Go out, set your own little businesses up, that kind of thing. Set me hat off to that lady that set this up. Honestly, a lesson to all my daughters, all that kind of stuff. Go and have a look at these women that have made businesses and all that kind of stuff. Really, really pleased about these, and that is one of the selling factors to me was that when I read about the history. But the quality is good. I like them. I ended up buying 4 of them, so it was like a pack. That pack there was like, I think it was about £18 for 2. So you're looking at £9 a clamp. Bargain, absolute bargain. So I bought 2. They've not even been open yet, but I might actually buy another set of them and another set of them. But like I say, I'll put links down. I will do a review, a follow-up review, probably in about 6 months. You'll see me using these on my projects. Don't forget to go and watch my project that I made last night, which was this tapering jig with a micro jig match fit system, dovetail clamps. It's had some nice comments about it. But go and watch that video. And don't forget to watch the videos. I'm going to pop a few more videos on, sort of a bit more regular. Number one, this sounds a bit silly, but my arthritis is playing up really bad. So I'm finding it tough to get about a bit. So I'm going to do sort of a few more smaller sort of in-depth videos like this, smaller sort of things. So keep watching, keep supporting, subscribe, hit them comments. Go out. If you want clamps, this is what I bought. There's other clamps out there, but to me, these will do the job.